I'm not even a manager to be on that. That's what I don't want to do. Just chill out, yeah. I'm just saying what I'm doing. Yeah. It's right there. Goonie. He said, fuck you. Who's that? He. Huh? He. Yeah. Hey, can you hear me? No. Oh, you can hear me from there? See, if you don't stop it, right now. He's on the other line with one thing and what's up with me? Uh, they Tina and Love. Tina and Love. Tina and Love. Who? Tina and Love. Oh, Tina and Love. Tina and Love. Why don't you just stay over there? Stay with you guys. He said just stay here. He said just stay here. We'll deal with whatever is up to you.
Yeah, Buxu.
Ah.
Oh my God!
Let's get her.
Buxu, come on, come on.
Keep on my life. Huh? Huh? No. Nah, he's quick because he saw me eating in my kitchen. He said, hey, I'm hungry, bro. I want to do that. I said, hey, come over. So he quit his job just to come and eat.
Buxu, come on, come on.
That's why he's getting bigger. Yeah. Oh, oh, say that, bro. You can hear me? Yeah. Era kangara kato biraro buano. Yeah. And what? Yeah, and what? Yeah. And what? Okay. Bro, I'm trying to I'm trying to send him a galaxy in that life, but I cannot find it. He said Coco shit. Huh? He said Coco shit. Man, fuck him and Coco shit. Who's Coco? Coco? My boy's Margarita!